Good evening. You are
Good evening. You are
watching
watching
Reporters Diary
Reporters
on the
Diary
Echo of
on the Echo of
India's
India's
Facebook page.
Facebook
And
page.
before
And
I
before
move ahead, let
move
me
ahead,
bring to
let me
you
bring to you
the major
the
points which
major
are in
points
news
which are
today.
in news today.
Reaching out to the
Reaching
people
out to
of
the
West
people of
Bengal
West
after
Bengal after
virtually
virtually
inaugurating a Durga
inaugurating a
Puja,
Durga
Prime
Puja,
Minister
Prime
Narendra
Minister
Modi
Narendra
today
Modi today
reaffirmed his
reaffirmed his
government's irrevocable
irrevocable
commitment
commitment
to women's
to women's
empowerment
empowerment
and safety.
and safety.
The Prime
The
Minister
Prime
said
Minister
that
said that
though Durga Puja was
Durga
being
Puja was being
celebrated on a
celebrated
limited
on a
scale
limited
due to
scale
the COVID
due to the
19 pandemic,
COVID-19 pandemic.
the
The
enthusiasm is
enthusiasm
still
is still
unlimited.
unlimited.
Nothing that Goddess
Nothing that
Durga
Goddess
was
Durga was
worshipped as
worshipped
a
as
noting that
noting that
Goddess
Goddess
Durga was
Durga
worshipped
was
as a
worshipped
symbol
as a
of
symbol of
Shakti.
Shakti.
Prime Minister Modi
Prime
said
Minister
his
Modi said his
government was
government was
consistently working
consistently
for
working
the
for the
empowerment of
empowerment
women.
of women.
He mentioned
He
about the
mentioned about
government's
the
various
government
schemes
various
like Jan
like
Dhan
Jan Dhan
accounts,
accounts,
Mudra Yojana,
Mudra
the
Yojana,
Beti
the
Bachao
Beti
Beti
Bachao
Padhao
Beti
initiative,
Padhao initiative,
granting permanent
granting
commission
permanent commission
to women
to
in the
women
armed
in the armed
forces and
forces
extend
and extend
maternity leave
maternity leave
from 12
from 12
to 26
to
weeks.
26 weeks.
Moving on with other pieces in news, the government has decided to restore with immediate effect all existing visas except electronic, tourist, and medical categories, almost 8 months after those were suspended due to the coronavirus outbreak and imposition of a nationwide lockdown. The Ministry of Home Affairs also announced giving permission to all overseas citizen of India and person of Indian origin card holders and all other foreign nationals to visit India for any purpose except on a tourist visa. Former Maharashtra Minister Eknath Khadse's daughter today said the politician's decision to leave the BJP was tough for him but also unavoidable. Speaking to news persons, the former minister's daughter Rohini said, "My father had given 40 years of his life for the BJP and
Life
its
for the
growth.
BJP and its
Certainly was a tough
certainly
decision for
was
him
a tough
and me,
decision for
but I
and me,
think it was
but I think
unavoidable
it was
one.
unavoidable.
We are joining a new
We
party
are
for
joining a new party for
there's no turning back
no
now.
turning back now.
Join the new
Join
party
the new
with
party with
vigor.
vigor.
Let me bring to you another headline here. Just a few days ahead of the first phase of assembly polls, Bihar Deputy Chief Minister Sushil Kumar Modi tested positive for COVID 19. The minister shared the information himself on Twitter and said his parameters were fine and he was looking forward to hitting the campaign trail soon in the poll bound state. The United States is now urging countries that have ratified a UN treaty to ban nuclear weapons to withdraw their support as the pact nears the 50 ratifications needed to trigger its entry into force, which supporters say could happen this week. The US letter to signatories, obtained by an international news agency, says the five original nuclear powers, the US, Russia, China, Britain, and France, and America's NATO allies, stand unified in our opposition to the potential repercussions of the treaty. Now I am joined by our team of reporters, and yes, we start with Asmita. Asmita, what all happening?
Hello, Safi. There is one issue from the hills that I would like to mention here. Here is that GTA chairman Anit Thapa today said that they did not welcome another JJM faction chairman Bimang Broom, and who resurfaced in Kolkata yesterday and declared he was now with Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, and they would work under Vinay Tamang. And he also said their stand on Darjeeling that all problems would be solved through dialogue was vindicated by Gurung appearance. That's all from my side, Safi.
All right, we move on to Riddhi. Yes, Riddhi, please switch on your. Yes, please.
Yes, please.
Hi, Safi. The first news that I have today: 54 exotic birds were seized by BSF in West Bengal's North 24 Parganas, close to the India Bangladesh border. A statement by the paramilitary force said today. The birds kept in 2 iron cages were rescued by the Border Security Force Jawans during an operation at Shahpara village in Tetulberia area of the district. The traffickers had smuggled the birds into India, however, were nowhere to be found. The exotic birds includes 11 chattering lory, 13 red and blue lory, 8 each black-capped lory, violet-necked lory, and black lory, with 6 brown lory were handed over to authorities of Alipur Zoological Garden. That's all from my side.
All right, we move on to Port Blair. Yes, yeah, please go ahead.
Please go ahead.
Yes, Razia.
Yes,
Good
Razia.
evening, Shafi.
Good evening, Shafi.
Good evening, Shafi.
Good evening, Shafi.
Shafi, I would like to start with a foreign yacht, Koala. The name is Koala. With one person on board, reached Kamota Island for repair works yesterday, and the yacht reportedly developed some problem in the engine while on its way to Maldives. The Andaman administration and the defense will interrogate. Only one person, 20 years old young boy, is available in that vessel, and the Andaman administration along with defense will interrogate tomorrow, and then they will decide the real reason of his traveling, whether it is really due to technical snag or something else, and then they will decide to leave or not. Another news is, Shafi, around 636 villagers of Hopetown Panchayat registered an objection against the 50 megawatt LNG based power plant project. In a letter addressing to Prime Minister of India, the villagers expressed their concern over the coming up project of LNG power plant. They already raised objection in the Gram Sabha and during hearing on 29/9/2020 at Gram Panchayat also. They said there are public institutions like school, church, madrasas, so in close proximity of 100 meters to the proposed power plant. So this area can be developed as a tourist destination because it is connected to sea, but constructing installing a LNG 50 megawatt LNG plant will be health hazard because there are bottling plant is there, LPG bottling plant is there, there are Surya Chakra power plant is there. So in between this will be this LNG plant will be hazardous because it is inhabited by the people, the villagers of this area. And the last one is, Shafi, Bengali festival. The Durga Puja is started today onwards, and it is in a while following the COVID-19 protocol, celebrating in Andaman and Nicobar Islands by the Bengali people. So that's all for today from Port Blair, Shafi.
All right, thank you, Razia, Ashmita, and Riddhi, and a very happy pujas to you all, and also to our viewers who are watching. Viewers, this is all we have this evening in Reporter's Diary. Wish you a very happy pujas ahead, a very happy festive season ahead. Thanks for watching.